Today, I'll walk you through how to extract the year from the date column in Power BI, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to isolate the year from your date data so you can enhance your reporting and analysis. Let's get started. First, open your Power BI dashboard. This is the central hub where all your data visualizations and reports come together. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different, the steps will still apply. Once your dashboard is open, navigate to the Home tab and click on Transform Data. This action will open the Power Query Editor, which is where you can manipulate your data before it gets visualized. Think of it as a workshop where you can refine your materials before building your masterpiece. Now in the Power Query Editor, locate and select your date column. This is the column that contains the date information from which you want to extract the year. If you have multiple columns, just ensure you click on the correct one. Next, head over to the Add Column tab at the top of the screen. If you prefer to overwrite the current column instead of creating a new one, you can go to the Transform tab instead. This flexibility allows you to choose how you want to manage your data. Once you're in the Add Column tab, look for the Date drop-down button in the From Date and Time group. Click on that drop-down and you'll see various options for manipulating date data. Now select Year from the list and then choose Year. This will extract the year from each date in your selected column. It's like taking a snapshot of the year from each date, making your data much easier to analyze. And there you have it. You've successfully extracted the year from the date column in Power BI. This simple yet powerful technique can significantly enhance your data analysis, allowing you to focus on trends and insights over time. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.